Have you ever come across an axolotl? This incredible creature is more than just a cute face. It has so much to teach us about creating eco-friendly tech gadgets that can help protect our planet. In a world overflowing with waste and pollution, finding sustainable ways to innovate is essential. Axolotls inspire us with their unique biology and remind us that nature offers many solutions to our environmental challenges. By studying these fascinating animals, we can develop gadgets that minimize waste and promote a greener lifestyle. 1. Axolotls can regenerate lost limbs and even parts of their heart. This remarkable ability teaches us about resilience. Imagine tech gadgets designed for easy repair, reducing the need for new materials and helping cut down on waste. 2. Living in freshwater lakes, axolotls have natural methods for filtering and purifying water. This inspires the creation of eco-friendly water filtration systems in our gadgets, allowing us to drink clean water without relying on harmful plastics. 3. Axolotls thrive in delicate ecosystems. By studying their habitats, we can develop gadgets made from sustainable materials, such as biodegradable plastics or recycled materials that are safe for the planet. 4. Well adapted to their environment, axolotls use energy efficiently. This motivates tech designers to create gadgets that consume less energy, like solar-powered devices, harnessing renewable energy sources for our technology. So, what can you do today? Start by seeking out eco-friendly gadgets like solar chargers or reusable water bottles. Opt for products made from recycled materials, and whenever possible, choose to repair instead of replace. Every small step counts. One common mistake is overlooking the life cycle of products. Don't just focus on the purchase, consider what happens when a gadget reaches the end of its life. Also, be cautious of products marketed as eco-friendly that may not truly be so. Always check the materials and energy sources they use. Axolotls are more than just adorable creatures. They inspire us to create innovative, eco-friendly technology. Let's embrace their lessons and make choices that benefit our planet. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips on living sustainably. Leave this section blank as per your instructions. Inspired by the axolotls' natural habitat, scientists are developing technology that captures energy from water. This innovation could lead to eco-friendly gadgets powered by renewable energy, helping to reduce our reliance on fossil fuels. Axolotls are a fantastic way to teach children about ecosystems and sustainability. Tech gadgets featuring axolotls can raise awareness about environmental issues while being fun and engaging. Look for products that offer easy repair options. This not only reduces waste but is often more cost-effective than buying new items. Seek out companies that prioritize sustainable materials and innovate with nature in mind. Share what you've learned about axolotls and eco-friendly technology with friends and family. The more people know, the better it is for our planet. A common misconception is that all gadgets harm the environment.